Hi, welcome to Phil Talks Tech. On this channel, we're going to talk about all things tech. I've enjoyed playing with tech all my life. Been interested in electronics since I was a teenager, over 40 years now. I've played with audio, computers, 3D printers, CNC. I've had lots of interests. I'm currently working as a technician in mining, but my hobby has always been computer and electronics. As I'm always mucking around with things electrical, electronic, I want to bring you along for the ride as I go. So if I find something interesting, I'll make sure I video it for it as I go. Hopefully you can learn as I do. As this is a new channel, I'm going to start where I'm at the moment, and that's 3D printing. My kids bought me a 3D printer for my birthday and thoroughly enjoyed putting it together and setting it up. Really enjoying upgrading it and modding it. I'll take you along some of that journey as we go. What are you interested in the world of electronics? Is there anything you'd like me to have a look into and possibly help you along with? If you're into electronics and tech, why not hit the subscribe and like button and join us on this journey as we check out some tech. I'm Phil, I Talk Tech. I'll see you next time.